Never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. You know that song? It's playing in my head. Bip, 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 bip. Yeah, man. I know the tune, I hear it playing. I just can't spit it out. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you. Welcome to the show. So, let me give you some of this little information. Maybe it makes sense to me. Fish, you shoot in color, right? And you know the camera's got D-Log M flat, and it's got this HDR one. I don't know the exact names, but you got 3 different colors. And then DJI offers on site a LUTs. Don't sweat it if you don't know how to put a LUTs into a editor. You can use the supplied ones, paid ones, or you can even use their other types of coloring systems on your editor. Isn't this like a shot that you would put LUTs to, or leave it as is in the color mode, or change it to HDR? I was on color and I tapped it twice. And that's what I get if I go to the D-Log one. I just don't get what D-Log is, Fish. It's just like confusing to me. Just call it flat, color, HDR. Oh, it's gotta have a special word. D-Log-M flat. Oh, you know what I'm trying to get at? Yeah, man. Why would you have a LUTs and the color in DJI? Now you got 2 things. You shoot in D-Log M flat and you put a LUTs in. Aren't you going back to the same actual video you just shot? Is the LUTs where oh, I made a mistake. I shot in flat. So I could put the LUTs back into the flat to get the normal video. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Boop, 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 boop. Celebrity is early. And it's going real slow into port. Super slow. Now, how do I know that celebrity? Look at the smokestack. Can't you see the X on it? See the navy royal blue bottom? Navy. Royal is like what I'm wearing. Navy's darker than royal. What was I talking about? Ah, yeah, record cancel. If I hold down while recording the link button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I disconnect my microphone. So I have to stop the video. They don't stop anymore. I gotta stop you. And relink. We have record canceling. And it only works and will only work on, you got it, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So you can't make a mistake if you are using a DJI Mic 2, but when you get up and get off your butt and you come over here and you say, oh man, I don't like this video. Let me cancel record, cancel it. You won't be able to hear me, and you're just like, I'll do it all over. And you come here and you say, okay, I hit the start button because you didn't pay attention to the light, and you do your video all over, and you got nothing. Nothing at all. It's just like trying to grab a shot and turn your camera on quickly, and you can't get it to work the way you want. The pigs are back in town. At least it's not that dirty. Let me get back to LUTs. I shoot in color. I don't do D-Log M flat or the HDR. And I don't go back into the editor with the LUTs. by DJI. And if I add it into the video, I feel like I'm just bringing back what I'm shooting in right now. Color, normal. Now, editors do a great job giving you the colors you want, and you, behind the editor, gets the best shot out there in the world. I don't think I could do any better than I am just using the camera as is. So that's the part I don't get. Why would I want to shoot flat and put the D log M LUTs? Is it D log M? Why would I want to put the DJI LUTs back into the flat to get the best color around? So do you have D log M flat with your color being great and DJI LUTs being great? That's the thing I don't get. I do get that if I use D log M flat, it's 10-bit. And I'm just going to crash my machine and have issues. Even though I got a recent machine, it's 8-bit only and it's not 10-bit. That's why I wouldn't use this flat and try to color baby blue in. I got a nice deep shirt. I won't be able to color my shirt only and then color the base I'm sitting on and color the royal blue bike I have, which I love the color. I totally get it. I really do. I just want to do what I want to do. Nothing more. Just going to go on and capture the video the best I can, the way I can. I just set my camera up one way and off I go. And I'm happy. And I just don't bother doing other things that this gimbal camera can and cannot do. Well, I did say a lot, said a lot, shared a lot, my thoughts out loud to fish. I had a good time. What a nice day and overcast, and hope the sun will come out and be a nice, cool, calm, and collective one. I got some work, I got some mail, I got some beeswax to take care of. It's time to get going and get that cup of joe. But before I get going, they should have called this the thumb cam. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on many other videos to come. Because I'm always using my thumb to take off the pop-up.